Good morning, Captain Roburn here from Surge.Trade, Premier Perpetual Futures Dex on Radix. In this short video, I'd like to demonstrate just how simple it is to bridge ETH to Radix and start trading perpetuals on Surge. We assume you already have an Ethereum account connected to MetaMask and some ETH to bridge, and we'll be utilizing CaviarNine, which is the leading DEX and aggregator on Radix, and its Maya protocol integration to trustlessly bridge from Ethereum to Radix. But before we do that, firstly we'll need to download and install the Radix wallet and browser extension, so let's get to it. At wallet.radixdlt.com we'll find instructions for downloading the Radix mobile wallet for both Apple and Android devices, and instructions for installing the Radix browser extension. Once complete, we're ready to start connecting to Radix dApps. Next, we navigate to CaviarNine.com and launch the app. Select the Connect Wallet button at the top right of the screen to connect our Radix wallet to the app. On your mobile device, you'll be prompted to log in by selecting or creating a persona and any accounts you wish to connect to the site. Once connected, we use the Swap widget to select Cross-Chain, followed by ETH. Next, we can select the Connect Wallet button, followed by MetaMask, to connect our Ethereum wallet. Once connected, we simply select the amount of ETH to bridge. Here I'm going to leave a little bit behind for gas fees. And immediately we see the CaviarNine aggregator seeks out the deepest liquidity for our XRD to minimize slippage. All we need now is a destination address, which we can copy directly from the Connect Wallet button and paste that in the field shown here. Next, click Swap Now and check the transaction in MetaMask before selecting Confirm. Next up, we wait for confirmation on the Ethereum blockchain. Confirmation times may vary depending on gas price and network congestion. Once confirmed, we can refresh our Radix wallet and observe in the History tab that the deposit has been made. At this point, we're ready to proceed to Surge. On Surge.Trade, we follow a similar pattern for logging into the app by selecting Connect Wallet at the top right of the screen and selecting a persona and the account to use with the app. Once connected, we can proceed to select the Create Surge Account button, which allows us to select a variety of assets to deposit as collateral. In our case, we'll select XRD and the amount that we wish to deposit. Select Create and Deposit to send the transaction to your Radix wallet, where you can confirm the deposit. Once confirmed, we can proceed to the Trade widget to select the amount of leverage to use and open a position. In this example, I'm going long on Bitcoin with 20x leverage. Once we execute the trade, we can confirm on the Radix wallet. Once confirmed, we can refer to the Positions tab, which updates to show our new position. And all that's left to say is welcome to Radix and happy trading on Surge. For any questions or comments, please tag us on X @Surge_Trade.